Multiply 289 by 194 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 8 plus the carried 3 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 2 plus the carried 3 is 11. The first partial product is 1156. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 9 is 81. Put 1 in this column and carry 8. 9 times 8 plus the carried 8 is 80. Put 0 in this column and carry 8. 9 times 2 plus the carried 8 is 26. The second partial product is 26,010. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. The third partial product is 28,900. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 5 plus 1 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The whole negative number product is 56,066. So 289 times 194 is 56,066.